What's going on, guys? Jeff Weibel here, back with another video. WTF, what is going on in here? We're getting these turned over so quickly. How are we doing this? We have logistics in place, and when the product shows up, our workers can work on it, and we are rocking and rolling. We got subs going. There's probably 10 to 15 renovations going every single month, and here's another example of the units and getting these rented for this building, this unit. One bed's $1,550 per month. Two beds kind of going for $1,800. I think that was a mirror there. So this looks good. My property manager sent this to me, so I'm just kind of showing you guys some of what my corporation is able to put together in rental properties here in renovations. So it's good for the tenants, and hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any other questions, make sure to send it to me on Instagram at Jeff Weibo, and check out these other videos. Bye.